Alright, my friends, today we're going to draw a bat. So we are going to draw it and color in the entire page. You'll notice that our bat has a body, it has wings, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, and then background details. We also have one here where it's a little bit darker at night. And the reason that we do these at night is because bats are nocturnal. So this one is sort of getting darker at night, and this one is much darker at night. So think about how you want your bat to look. We are going to start by folding our paper in half both ways. So I'm going to take my paper the short way or the hamburger way. I'm going to line up the two corners. Put my finger in the middle, come straight down, and then go out. I'm going to open it up. Now I'm going to do the same thing the hot dog way. So I'm going to take my paper, line up those two corners, put my finger there, pull it down, and pull it. Now it doesn't have to be perfect because we are just using this little plus mark here in the middle as a guideline for our drawing. So to get started on our drawing now, we're going to start right here in the middle. And we're going to draw kind of a wide smiley face using this plus sign as our center point. And we're going to draw right on top of that. So I'm going to draw a nice wide smiley face. Okay. Now, above that, I'm going to kind of come in a little. And then I'm going to make a big hill. And that is my bat head. I'm going to go ahead and add some ears. So in order to do that, I'm going to put one ear and two. And then to bring them down, our bat ears kind of look a little bit like pig ears, and they're going to look almost like an S shape. So we're going to come in, out, in. Here, same thing. We're going to come in, out, in. Now we're going to put another line to make our bat ears look like they are rounded. And we'll just put a little bit of fur in there because we know bats are mammals. They, even though they fly, they have fur, not feathers. Now we're going to go ahead and put that face in. You can put an oval nose if you want, or you can put in a little heart nose. That's what I'm going to do this time. You can turn it upside down if you want to draw a heart that way, if that's easier. So I put in a little heart nose. I'm going to put in his little mouth. And if we want to make it a vampire bat, we could put their little teeth in. We'll give it some little cheeks. Now we're going to put in the eyes. Now we're going to make little cartoon eyes. This is not like a science drawing. This is more of a illustration or a cartoon drawing. So we're going to draw a straight line for the bottom of the eyes and then a big hill on top, or an upside down U. And then we're going to draw another little partial circle, and then to get that highlight, to make the eyes look shiny, we're just going to make a little white circle in the middle. And we'll color right around that white circle so that the inside of our eye is black, but that white circle stays white, and that makes our eyeball look glossy. It's also what gives what people call the cute eyes. So see? Alright. Now we've got our head done. We're going to give it a little bit of a fur collar. We can draw in some of that fur around the neck. And then we're going to draw its body in. So we're going to draw the legs. My bat is really fat. And we're going to draw some feet. We're going to come down. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then come in a little bit further than that. The feet. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're going to draw another upside down U shape for the legs. Yeah, I have a really fat bat. He just had a big lunch. Okay, now for the wings. We're going to come right here to that fur collar, and we're going to draw a line all the way out to the edge, and then we're going to put a bend in it. And we're going to draw a second line That is parallel, which means that they run right next to each other. And then when we get to that bend, we're going to make them come to a point. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Come straight out and then to a bend. And then we're going to come straight out to a point. Okay, now we're going to draw two big curved lines that come down. And you really want them to be long, and it's going to look weird until we connect them. So we're going to draw a nice long, almost like a tooth shape. And then we're going to make a second line to make a point with that. Okay? We're going to do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, and we'll make a point. Okay, now we're going to connect our wings. And we're going to do that by drawing an upside down U shape. So I'm going to connect from the body to that point, to the next point, and then from this point to this one with that same shape. 1, 2, and then 3. And I have my bat. So now if you wanted your bat to be sleeping, you could put it like that. In a cave, you could draw stalactites and stalagmites, which are those rock formations that are made out of limestone that hang out of caves. You could put it in the sky like I did. Okay, if we put another cloud underneath, it really helps make it look like it's flying. It is up to you. And then you're going to add all of your color. Now the bat's nose and ears are pink, and the rest of it is brown. The wings are going to be a light brown, and the face and ears and the structure of the bat or the bat wing are going to be nice and dark. The body you can do light or dark, that's up to you. And then your bat will be flying away. And make sure that the background is dark, because remember, bats are nocturnal, so this would be a nighttime flying scene. They wouldn't be flying around during the day. Okay? I will see you soon. Enjoy!